So Lord Vishnu instructed Maya Devi, Vishnu Maya or Yoga Maya. She has two very nice names, Yoga Maya, Vishnu Maya. So we can have these names to our children also. Vishnu Maya, Yoga, very stylish name. Simply Maya, yeah, that is Maya. But if you add Yoga and Vishnu, Vishnu also will be. Instructed Yoga Maya. Yoga Maya took one nice role in the Krishna Avatar. Very important role she does. And she took Balarama from Devaki and kept Balarama in Rohini soup. The Balarama's two father and two mother. Devaki, Vasudeva, there Rohini. Okay. There Rohini also. So Balarama. The Maya, he told Maya, you do this kind of Gacha Devi, Vrajam Badre, go to Vrindavan, you do this kind of work and you will have so many temples hereafter. And people will worship you by this kind of name. Ambika, Sharada, Kali, Bhadrakali, all these devatas. Mostly our Maya Devi is worshipped in the village places. Where I grew from village. You go any village, one Mariamma temple will be there. She will be worshipped. Thank you very much for your work, Maya Devi. You can go. And she did her work. Now 6 children have gone. The 7th one is Balarama Avatara. Maya Devi in between she comes and she is helping the Lord. Then 8th, Lord Krishna, now he has to arrive now. So Lord went into Vasudeva. So he has to get a father's aspect and mother's aspect. So here we should not think how the ordinary the child gets birth from father and mother like that. Staying 9 months in mother's womb and coming out. No. So this is Avatara. He says how I take Avatara. If you want to get elaborate information, please go to 4th chapter and he gives when I come, why I come, how I come. All the things are discussed there. When I come, yada yadahi dharmasya glanihi bhavati adharmasya abhyuttanam. Why I come, paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkrutam. How I come, ajopisan navyayatma bhutanam ishwaropisan prakritim swamadishtaya. So I control my Yoga Maya, then I take avatar. Here, he instructed Yoga Maya and Ekam. So you can say Yoga Maya, philosophically also you can understand how Brahman takes avatar by controlling Maya. And the Puranic angle also, the Maya, she comes in the form and she helps. So when you connect Bhagavatam with Bhagavad Gita, the more clarity you will get how it comes. Even though he comes, he is everywhere. So we studied that concept through Moola Murti and Utsava Murti. It's a very brilliant heritage. The highest philosophy, how to understand the highest philosophy easily and practically also. That's why in Bhagavad Gita, every chapter we say the Sankalpa Vakya, Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gita su Upanishatsu, Upanishad and Yoga Shastra. So not only this is a very theory and it is practical also. So that statement you can suit not only to Bhagavad Gita, whole heritage also in the same way. Whole Sanatana Dharma, philosophy and how to practice. Now we understand Moola Murti and Utsava Murti. Krishna is going to appear. Before his arrival, he made all kind of arrangements. Simply he will not come. So the big boss is coming. When big boss, prime minister comes in, you make all kinds of arrangement. And the president or prime minister visits. Now, before Bhagavan take avatar, all the Brahma and the Devatas, they visited that jail. There Bhagavan going to have avatar. They visited. Vasudeva is there, our Devaki Amma. They're ready to appear. Lord Krishna ready to appear. All the devatas came. Brahma, Shiva. Vishnu is not. Vishnu is going to appear here. Vishnu is not. Brahma, Shiva, Indra and other devatas. They came and started chanting. Big stuti you see. Big stuti. That's what. Brahma Bhavascha Tatra Itya. Brahma, Bhava means Lord Shiva. Tatra Itya. They visited there. Because the great avatar, Krishna avatar, now he is going to rule the whole world. Now he is going to take up the projects. There are so many Leelas will happen. Now itself all the devatas started celebrating this. Krishna avatar, Mahotsava. Munibihi, Naradadibihi. All the, not only the devatas, all the rishis, saints, they also joined. When Brahmaji and Lord Shiva came there, all the munis also said, hey, where are you going? So we are going to Mathura, celebrate Krishna avatar. You will also join. Naradadibihi, Munibihi, Devaihi, Sanucharaihi Sagam, Girbihi, Vrishanam, Aidayan. And they started chanting, Yam Brahma, Urunendra, Rudra, Marutaha, Stunvanti Divya Stavaihi. So Divya Stavam, the stotras, they sang about this Lord. All the devatas came and started praising. One information about the praise I will tell. And from that stuti, it's a very big stuti. So a very nice sloka I brought here. You find this sloka there in the Brahma Stuti there. Satyavratam Satyaparam Trisatyam Satyasya Yonim Nihitam Cha Satye Satyasya Satyam Atasatya Netram Satyatmakam Tvam Sharanam Prapanna. All Satya, Satya, Satya. Very nice. Easy to remember also. All Satya. Satya, Satya, Trisatya, Satya, 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 again Satya, again Satya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Satya. One sloka. So how much the Lord is rooted or established in Satya. So when we have this Satyasya, Satyatmakam Tvam Sharanam Prapanna. We say Sat Chitta Ananda. Brahman is Sat Chitta Ananda. Existing. All three. Past, present, future. Existence, consciousness and Ananda. The existence is okay. Philosophically you say existence. It's beyond three Kala. Kala-atita existence. You will not come in the web of time. That's okay. Philosophically okay. When we live as a human being, there also the Satya is expressed as honesty. The existence. Philosophically you can say this is existence. But when you come to our day-to-day life, the Satya means honesty. We understood what is honesty through our Gurudev's message. This is intellectual honesty. How to practice intellectual honesty. Lord is in the form of Satya. So those who follow Satya, those who hold Satya, they are very close to Lord and He will bless the devotee. So you see where you are living, the country, they are very, very honest. So you should not lie, you should not hide anything. You be honest, you are appreciated. Very interesting. When you are doing volleyball, so many years back, we were playing volleyball with the children there. One boy made mistake opposite side. He came forward and he told, I made a mistake. First time I saw, why? Why you are coming at it? Just keep quiet and you will get point. This is a mentality, human mentality. Just keep quiet, you will get point. Why you are coming and telling I made a mistake? Honest. How our Vasudeva was so honest. God is so much pleased with this honesty. When we practice this honesty, and the heart will become very pure, very pure. There is no hiding and the manipulation, nothing is there. Very plain. The plain means what? Pure heart. Pure means God will appear there. Therefore, we are asked to practice honesty. Very interesting sloka from that stuti. And one very nice, this is Kalidasa, written in our country, Kalidasa. In Raghuvamsa, he says, before Bhagavan Krishna Avatar, all the Rama Avatar, all the Devatas go to Lord Narayana's place and they ask, oh Lord Narayana, we are not able to bear Ravana. He is doing too much. Please, you have to take avatar and finish this fellow. Please come quickly. It's very difficult to bear his, the team, not team, his gang. Wherever we go, his gang is there. Please, come on and finish him. So they went to Vaikuntha Loka and asked Rama to come down. At that time, our Kalidasa brings very nice idea. When all the Devatas went to, whenever we have problem, they will take Bhuma Devi with them and they go to Kshirabdi, Vaikuntha Loka and they pray. And Lord will appear. This is how the system is going on. When Rama Avatara, all the Devatas went and prayed. There our Kalidasa says, very nice idea he brings. The Devatas go there and they pray. He says that, Anavaptam avaptavyam na te kinchana vidyate. Oh Lord, you are not going to get anything, you are not going to lose anything because you are complete. You are complete. Aptakama. We have so much of problems because we have mind. In the mind you have desire. You have desire, you have to get something. If you get something, the desire is fulfilled. Again it disappears. All the thing will go. Again one more desire, one more job, one more object. Like that it goes for the human being. For Lord, complete. Aptakama. Na anavaptam avaptavyam nate kinchana vidyate. So you don't have anything, O Lord. You don't want to get anything. Then why are you taking this birth? Janma or avatar. He says, Loka anugrahiyeva eka hetuhu. Only one purpose of the avatar, Loka anugraham, that's all. Lord Narayana is not going to get anything, nothing. So you are suffering, you only come and you ask me to come down, I am coming down. Avatar means avatarati. From higher level to ordinary level, he comes down. This is Brahman is beyond Maya, beyond this creation. He comes through Maya to our world. How this shuttle goes from this Bhuloka to the other space. Again he comes down. The same way, our Lord comes down through Maya. Loka anugrahayeva eka hetuhu. Only one purpose, to bless the world. Otherwise, he doesn't have anything to reach, anything to get new. Janma karmanoho. This loka is very minimum. Mahimanam yad utkirtya tava samhriyate vachaha. All the devas, they came and they started praising. Oh Lord, so we started praising you. Tava mahimanam yat utkirtya vachaha samhriyate. By praising your glory, all our, after some time, our speech will stop. It's getting stopped. Vachaha samhriyate. So all are getting stopped. Why? Are you tired? Why? So what is the reason you are stopping him? What is the reason? He says, Na guna nam yattaya. It's not that your guna is completed. Oh Lord, I praised you, about you, everything I told. Okay? Therefore I am stopping. Even though I have so much of strength, so much of power, energy to chant not only Sahasranama. I chant Sahasranama, Bhagavad Gita 18th chapter, all Bhagavatam, all chanting I praised you. So this much only you have, Lord. Therefore I am stopping it. Our Kalidasa says, no. Na gunanam yattaya. It is not you are stopping because he has got only this much qualities. Aganita gunanatha. You cannot count the qualities or the glory of the Lord. You cannot stop. Na gunanam yattaya. Not because you have this much, only this many quality. We stopped because of Shramena. We are tired. That's why we stopped. Ashaktya. And we don't have ability to tell about you. Therefore we stopped it. Very interesting point. We stopped all the stutis. We chanted some stuti and we stopped. Why? Shrama and Ashakti. This is our problem. It is not your guna as the problem. Very nicely he brought. And one more thing he says in this sloka. Iti prasadaya masuste suraha tam adokshajam. Surah, all the devatas, they praised him. And he said, Bhutartha vyahriti sahi na stuti parameshtinaha. Here parameshti means the Lord Narayana. What our Kalidasa says, whatever you chant or tell about the glory of the Lord, that is not glory. He says, na stuti. Just like all the stutis, so many stutis we have in Bhagavad. Kunti stuti, Shuka stuti, Bhishma stuti, Dhruva stuti, Prahlada stuti, Akurura stuti, Brahma stuti. There are so many stutis you have, so many, hundreds of stutis in Bhagavad, complete Bhagavad. All the stutis you take and read, what Kalidasa says, because we see so many stutis, according to Kalidasa, Bhutartha Vyahriti. Please don't say this is stuti. This is the actual fact you are telling about the Lord. Interesting point. Whatever you say, that is actual only. Stuti means what? So if you don't have quality, the other person is telling that you have that quality. That is called stuti. So you will be very much pleased. So you are so Danavira. Me? Oh, like Karna. Is it? Oh. But we never give anything to anyone. Own people will not give. You are like Danavira, Karna. Oh. You are like Yudhishthira, Dharma Prabhu. Oh. Very nice to hear. Once more. You are Dharma Prabhu. You are Dharma Prabhu like Yudhishthira. You are like Karna. You are like Arjuna. So when you take arrow, you send this direction. The arrow goes that direction. That is arrow's problem. That is not your problem, sir. In efficiency, you are like Arjuna. So even though we do not have that kind of quality, the person brings that kind of, he praises us, and that is called stuti. That is called stuti. But according to Kalidasa, so whatever you are telling about the Lord, and you are calling it stuti, Kalidasa says, sir, excuse me, that is not stuti. Why? Bhutata Vyahriti. That is a fact you are telling about the Lord. Whatever you say, you call Atitaya Namaha, that is fact, sir. Getting it? Why on stuti? Sahasra Shirsha Purushaha. You have the heads everywhere, you have legs everywhere, you have hands everywhere. Sir, that is not stuti, this is fact. Ajaya Namaha, you never take birth. Fact, not stuti. Satyatmakam tvam sharanam prapad satyasya yonim trisatya netram. All the things, whatever, this is, no, see, this is no, according to, this is not stotra. This is not stotra stuti, this is fact. Satyavratam, Satyapuram, Trisatyam, Satyasya yonim nihitam cha satya. Satyatmakam tvam sharanam prapad. All this fact. People are simply, they are confusing and they are telling this is stuti. Very nice idea from a Kalidas. See how he looks at this stuti. It's a very nice place to bring them. So yeah, I brought this Kalidas's idea. So he says, in Raghuvamsa, when Devas went and asked Lord Narayana to come down to take avatara, there he brings this kind of idea. One point, Ashakti Sramena, we just withdraw ourselves. Not because the Lord's qualities are completed. No. We stop because we don't have energy to continue. Sagasanam also. We start Om Shuklam Baradaram Vishnam Shashivarnam Shadurbhujam Prasannavadanam, beginning. Prasannavadanam Dhyaye Sarva Vignopashanti, beginning. In the next third floor. Yes, Marana Matrena Janma Samsara Bandhanath. Om Vishwam Vishnu Vashatkar Bhuta. Slowly comes down. Why? Ashakti, Shrama. Not because of the Gurana Vedya. One more thing, this is not stuti, this is Bhutata Vyahriti. Very brilliant point of our Kalidasa. When Rama, he took Rama Avatara, this is Kalidasa's idea, this is Krishna Avatara. Now they chanted, all the Devatas came and they went back. Oh Lord, thank you very much. When we came to Kshetrabdi, along with Bhuma Devi. So you accepted our the request and you came down. When you came down, we have to come and do stuti. And you go back. All the best for your programs. Have you got your diary? Why? Have you got your schedule? Because first day itself we have to start with Putana. First day Putana. Then all asuras will come. Then Kamsa, Jarasandha, so many things to be done. So blessings, these are the people to be blessed. These are the people to be finished. And these are the leelas to be done, all the sections. He has got big schedule. Tight schedule. Krishna was a very, very tight schedule. In Rama Avatara, 14 years relaxing the forest. Totally relax in the forest. 14 years. Even the 14 years, 13 years complete relaxation. Go to this Rishi's Kutir, that Rishi, and visiting. Last 14th year is a very busy schedule. Because of Sita disappeared and Rama went 14th, the 1 year is very, very busy. The 1 year program is the whole Ramayana. 13 years they spent very nicely. Here, the day, first day itself, he asked, you take me to Vrindavan, a very busy schedule. Now, the points to be reflected. Brahma requested Vishnu to take avatar. First, you have to go and you have to tell your boss, please come down. When he comes down to your department, then Brahma just gratitude, he has to come down and ask, oh, you are there. Thank you very much, sir. I requested you, you have come. Thank you very much. So they went to Kshetrabdi, they requested him. He came down, again they came, all the devatas, and thank you very much. And after that, again Brahmaji will request Lord to withdraw. After, at the end of Avatara, Brahmaji will come with the devatas and will say, sir, oh Lord, everything is enough, please come back to your place. It's a very practical point. Whenever we request someone to come to our place, first we have to go in a very nice way, come down. When they come, we have to go and thank you very much. We requested you have come. When the work is over, they went back. Then we have to send the message. Thank you very much, everything is over. So all the three places we have to show this kind of, the protocol, you say the protocol or you give your own name. So this concept is even avatar also. So our problem is, whenever we study this kind of Itihasa and Purana, this is only devotion. Brahma comes, goes. Lord takes avatar. And when we see this kind of thing through the view of a spiritual religious view, we forget the main, the practical points in the book. Yeah, so in one track, Brahmaji comes, Lord takes avatar, it's okay, it's very devotional and very religious. In the other part, Brahmaji also says how the hierarchy is happening, how Brahmaji goes and requested, when he comes down, this is you have to go and respect. I hope you are following that track. One track is Lord is coming and take all the other track. So if you are requesting the person, for the request in the right hierarchy. When he comes down, then you have to go and pay your respect. Okay, thank you very much, you have come. When he moves from this place, again, thank you very much for your service, again out. So three places, Brahma is coming and attending. So this is very nice practical point for our life. What happens, we will go and we will tell the person will come, we will not be there. We will disappear. We may forget what we asked him. We told and we forgot. Person came and he's looking for us. Who is the coordinator here? Who is the organizer? Organizer disappeared. The person came. Somehow anyway he have come here, he finished the program, went back. Organizer again, no message. Nothing. So if you do this kind of thing, next time you go and ask him, first time what you did, you tell me. You asked me and you disappeared. Now you are coming and asking me, how can I come? You getting it? Very simple thing we can learn from this kind of thing. Layer after layer, so much of message is packed and kept in Purana. So when our children, why you are learning Purana, said, Brahmaji went and asked Lord to come down. That is one track. And another track, if you go and ask somebody to come, you have to be with them. Because you only unnecessarily requested the person to come down. He is taking rest in Adisesha. Adisesha also came. You disturbed the whole system and you disappeared. No, it should not be like that. Okay, very nice lesson. Very nice lesson. Separate track, all the lessons, life lessons. Okay, now Krishna Avatara is going. The Yogamaya came and he took, Balarama is there in Rogini's womb. Now he is going to take birth. Krishna is ready. Now Vasudeva and Devaki, they were there in the jail. Even now we have that place in Mathura. Mathura, that's a holy place. Mathura, Kashi, Ayodhya. 3 places, a very, very important place for many reasons. Now Ayodhya is coming up. The same way Mathura also one day will come up. Kashi also one day will come up. The Mathura, wherever Krishna took avatar, is Sarva Gunopeta. Ata Sarva Gunopetaha Kalaha. The time is perfect. The perfect time. Sarva Gunopeta. All the time is set very, very nicely. When you see the description here, I didn't bring so much of slokas because first sloka, 8th sloka, so many slokas are in between. And how all the planets set very nicely. Planets are good. The wind is blowing very nicely. The fire in the yajna kunda of the yogis, rishis, it's going very nicely without any fumes. And the yogis, when they do meditation, they got peace of mind very immediately. When they sit for meditation, immediately they went into samadhi. So what all the things are happening, the whole universe, the whole nature is completely, it goes well. Whole nature is going very well because Lord is going to take avatar. So all the things are described here. Sarva Gunopeta Kala, this is the time to take avatar. Lord Krishna comes. Nishite Tama Udbhute, he took birth in the midnight. The father and mother, they are sitting and waiting to receive the Lord. Nishite Tama Udbhute Jayamane Janardane. Jayama. Now he is going to take his appear. Devakyam Devarupinyam. Devaki is looking like Devata. Because she is going to give birth to the Lord, the ruler of the world. Devarupinyam Vishnuhu Sarva Guhashayaha. Very nice word. Vishnu Sarva Vyapi, Sarva Guhashayaha. He stays in all the Jiva's heart. That Vishnu is going to appear. Now, even though he is everywhere, Sarva Guhashayaha is going to appear. This is Nirguna Paramatma is going to take the form of Saguna. Very nicely described. Avirasita means he appeared. He is not taking birth like us. No. Not, you understood. It's not like ordinary. Avirasit, appeared. From the Avyakta, now he has come into Vyakta Sthiti. Avirasit, Pracham Dishu Induriva Pushkala. How on the eastern side, moon comes in the evening time, the same way. Indu. There's a Krishna Chandra, Rama Chandra. All the other Chandra is very cool, very nice, very attractive. This is how the Krishna avatar happened. Now, all the time. So, when Bhagavan Vedavyasa brought Krishna avatara, first you said the whole nature. The nature is very nice. All the flowers started giving fragrance. The wind is blowing. And all the jivas are some kind of the joy they experienced. Krishna avatar. Now, Lord appeared. A small child. Okay? Tam Adbhutam Balakam. Then they got Balaka. This is the Balaka. So Lord Vishnu appeared with Tam Adbhutam Balakam. So here there is, he just has 2 hands. Here it is explained, Tam Adbhutam Balakam, small boy. Ambujekshanam. They see that they saw both father and mother. They only had darshan of Krishna avatar first. So before that, Devatas came and they praised, they went away. They only saw Ambujekshanam. Now his eyes are looking like lotus petal. Ambujekshanam. So even ordinary child, the ordinary human child, when they give birth, okay, you see it's very nice to see. Child. Ordinary child. Or any jiva, you just a small word that. Squirrel, small rabbit, human being. The child is very, very attractive, very pleasing. You don't know what kind of feeling you get. Mother, father. Not only mother, father, anybody sees the child, they get, oh, wow. This is the expression of, even though they don't have any connection. But father, mother, wow. Ordinary child. What to talk about Lord Krishna? Vishnu himself came and the experience is totally beyond the world. Adbhuta Chadurbhujam. He has got Chadurbhujam. There itself he has got 4 hands. Chadurbhujam. In that Chadurbhujam he has got Sankha, Chakra and all. In one Sankha, Chakra. I do not know where he made all the Sankha, Chakra and all. Sankha, Chakra and Gada and Padma. The 4 hands are filled with this. That's why when our children take birth, we will give Kilikilipu. This Kilikilipu is nothing but the Gada. Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma, all the 4 hands filled. When he took avatar, actually, Shankha, Chakra, you go to Tirupati, that, oh, very big farm. Very big farm. You go to Sriranga, very big farm. This is Chadurbhujam, a small boy. There is a Chadurbhujam, Sankha Chakrandal he is having. There also he has got the mark, Srivatsa Vaksham. So without forgetting, he has got the mark also. Hey, there is no mark on your chest. Because Bhrigu has given the one kick. He has got that, Bhrigu's feet. Srivatsa mark is there. Gadashobi Kaustubam also. I don't know, very small neck, small Kaustubam. All very miniature nature. Pitambaram. There also he has got the dress Pitambaram. Very nicely dressed. I do not know which tailor made this Pitambaram. Nicely tied. Pitambaram, Sandra Payoda Saubagam, Maharha Vaiduri Kirita Kundalam. There he has got Kirita and Kundala. There also small boy, small ear, there Kundala is hanging. They saw all those things. See the description. Parishvakta, Kirita Kundala, Lashatvisa, Parishvakta, Sahasra Kuntalam. He has got very nice hair. Just now he took bath with the shampoo and all this, what do you call, how will you say, Surutamudi, curly hair. Curly hair. So, Sahasra Kuntala, what is style? So, you should not do like this. For gents, it's okay. For girls, you have to you should go everywhere. Particularly, you should fall on your face. Even though you are conscious, you have to pretend that you are not conscious of all those things. And the way he also got Sahasra Kuntala. So how it falls on his face, very nice to see the description of Krishna avatar. Elaborate description. On Uddama Kanchangata Kankanadiviya, and he has got all the bracelet, Kolusu, all the things he has got. Virochamanam Vasudeva Aikshata. Vasudeva saw this kind. This is not seeing the child, this is having the darshana of Krishna. Darshana. Not seeing. Not Aikshata means not seeing, the darshana. Oh, very small child. The child has got all the accessories of Vishnu. Very small. They took and they saw. Father and mother. And they also did Stotram there. Now Krishna took avatar. Krishna avatar happened. So Lord came here and they took. And Krishna also smiling at him. He is not talking. Just to see, first you have a darshan, then I will talk to you. And he is moving his Sangha Chakra Mandal. Kling, kling, kling. And all the 4 hands. Now 2 hands, the child will look like this. 4 hands and 2 legs. Now see all the 6 going here and there. Very nice. Our color is very blue color. And blue color, Pitambara and gold Kaustupa, Sankha, Chakra, all very colorful avatar. Padma. The blue color body, the Padma is Padmam. And the gold, what do you call, the Kaumodiki. Shankha, white Shankha, Chakra. All very nice to have this darshan. Krishna took avatar. When he took avatar, you have to take little time to do that. Immediately he started talking to his father and mother. No, Yuvam Putra Bhavena, Brahma Bhavena, Chasakra. Started talking. So because the schedule is very tight, sir. There is no time. Let Kamsa and you tell all the people, let them come and have darshan. No, the schedule is very tight. Quickly do your stuti. And our Vasudeva did some stuti. Our Devika also did stuti. After the stuti, Krishna told, Putra Bhavena, Brahma Bhavena. So you have to consider me as your Putra. Then and there will get the Bhava of Brahman also. Suppose you consider me as Brahman, you will not do anything. You will just worship. So Krishna did not want that kind of the Putra Bhavena, Brahma Bhavena. The two attitude. Chintayando Kritasneho Yasete Madgadim Param. So after some time, you will reach my place, Madgadim Param. You have to consider me as your Putra. Whenever you do meditation, you will understand my Brahma Bhava also. Babuva Paragrata Shishuhu. And when he told like that, after that, he just disappeared. All the four Sankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma, everything is disappeared. And he has become Prakrita Shishuhu, ordinary child. Looking like, not ordinary child, excuse me. Looks like ordinary child. Ordinary child. Then after that he looks like, he dropped everything, ordinary. Now I am ready. Because when you come on the stage, you have to wear all the Kundala, Krida, everything. Everything. You are going for the program, some marriage program, everywhere, whatever you have in your house, just bring and put. When you put all the things, even you go to a car also you have to be very, very careful. Slowly and sit there. Belt also you have to be a little careful. Hey, slow. Click. Very special lipstick. Somebody is giving coffee. No coffee. No, you don't drink coffee. No, I will drink, but not now. After 1 hour, I will drink. After the program. If somebody gives some ice cream, suddenly you just open your mouth like this, then it goes in bit. We maintain that. Because you are going to play on the stage. On the stage you presented, because you are going to do MC, Master of Ceremony there, the program. Nothing should disturb. So you have to keep yourself very how to say that. When the program is over, just to take everything and you be very careful, very casual. Very casual. The same way now he has given very nice the presentation, the avatar is over, then he changes shape. Now, why? Because I have to take a lot of that butter, milk, curd, so many things to happen. And I also should go along with the cows and all, the forest, so many things. Now you remove everything and be normal or ready for all the activities. Krishna is ready now. Prakrita Shishuhu. Now Krishna avatar happened. This is sweet made by our Vidya Magesh there. Yesterday she sent, this is Krishna avatar as prasad. So now Krishna took avatar. Now you take, all of you share this gulab jam, okay va? Online gulab jam. Online nivedanam. So Krishna is offered. So we offered to Krishna this online gulab jam. Yeah, she sent yesterday mail. This is the thing I made. Okay? So offered to, because if we are there, then we can take it. Now you mentally you take this prasad, okay? Only little, because not 1 or 2 you should take, one little you have to take. So celebrated Lord Krishna avatar. Now Krishna is ready now. Now ready, he has to go immediately. Not spending much time. Now Krishna is ready. Krishna has asked, Taya, when he asked father, hey, you have to take me to Vrindavan. He told all the address. It's a Vrindavan, you have to go there and you cross Yamuna. There you have to keep me there. And there, Yashoda gave birth to a female child. All the instructions given by the Lord. You go there, keep me and take that child, bring back. When God says like this, we will interfere and we will bring so many things in between. Suppose we were there instead of Vasudeva. When God says, please take me to Vrindavan put me there, take the girl child and come back. If he says to us, we will say, sir, what are you talking? This is night time, sir. Early morning, 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. Early morning, 7 o'clock. Early morning, 7 o'clock I take you. Midnight you are asking me to take. It's very dark outside. And cloudy also. It's going to rain. This is not the right time to take you. And one more thing, I am in the jail. People are, all the securities are outside. So it is difficult to take you there. And it's difficult to come back. On the way, so Yamuna, how to cross Yamuna? If some animal comes, so I have to take you and I have to run along with you in the basket. It's very, all the things we'll get. This is our mindset or mind, what do you call it, the attitude, how we train. When some work comes from the Lord, we ask so many questions. Now you see here, as you take me to the Vrindavan and bring that child, that's all. What will happen on the way, that I will take care. You getting the point? So how he has become the instrument for this in his hand. When the other instructions not there, he never told, when you take me, what will happen? See, he never told nothing, you get that kind of information. Just to take me, put there and bring that child, that's all. This is the instruction. See, simply he followed. Vasudeva took this child in the basket and started moving. When he started moving, Krishna vahe Vasudeva agate swayam vyavaryanta yatha tamo ravehe. When sun rises, at that time you don't see any darkness in the world. When sun rises, the darkness moves away. In the same way, he took Krishna and started moving. Automatically all the doors are opened in the jail. What about security? Security started sleeping. Half an hour before itself. Before Krishna, all the security started sleeping. In the deep sleep. Because Yoga Maya is doing all those things. Yoga Maya brought the sleep, the Nidra. They started sleeping. All the doors are open. Everything is open. And he started moving out. When he came out of that jail, Vavarsha started pouring. Not that much. What do you call it? Drizzling. Vavarsha parjanya upamsa garjitaha. So slightly. All the devatas are pouring, or that sprinkling the water on Lord Krishna. When the water started sprinkling, and the child is sitting like this, like looking at the sky. Suddenly, our Sesha, Adisesha thought that, hey, we have to keep some umbrella. Adisesha came behind Vasudeva. Sesho Anvagatu Var Nivarayan Panaihi. Panaihi means is what that? Heads. He just spread his 1,000 heads and started giving him like umbrella and started going behind him. Vasudeva did not turn back. If we were there, if we turned back, we will put everything there and we will run away. Just you start moving, everything will happen. Sesha started giving the umbrella and he moves towards Vrindavan. On the way he got Yamuna. Yamuna also started giving the space. And he just moved in the Yamuna. Never thought about how to cross Yamuna. Never thought how to pass through the security. Nothing. Just you told, I just executed. Other things are your responsibility to make all the conducive atmosphere. Very interesting one. He went there and kept Krishna. Though only Vasudeva rose, Krishna rose, Devaki is there in the jail. Nandavrajam Shauri Rupetya Tatrata. So he went to Nandavrata, where Nanda is ruling that Gokula. There, exactly at that time, our Yashoda gave birth to female child. And Yashoda did not know. Yashoda did not know that what kind of child she got, whether she got a female child or male child. She did not know. She also went into Nidra. Because Nidra Devi is doing all the things. The Maya is doing, helping the avatar. Yashoda did not. The whole Gokula is sleeping. Mathura is sleeping. Only Krishna and Vasudeva, they were doing this kind of leela. And he kept the child there and took the female child, brought back. Devakya Shayane Nesya. Devakyaha Shayane Nesya. Again he brought by Vasudevo. Atha Dharikam. Here Dharik means he brought back the child and kept Devaki. Devaki knows. And our Yashoda did not know. Getting it? Yashoda did not know, and Nandagopal also sleeping there. Nandagopal sleeping, Yashoda sleeping. He kept the child and brought the female child. And he brought and kept near our Devaki. Pratimuchye pador lohamaste purvata avritaha. This line is very important. When he brought back, till that time, the jail is open. Security was sleeping. Everything is as it was. When he came back, security started getting up slowly. All the doors locked. Again his own the chains also locked. Vasudeva was looking very, surprising. When I touch Krishna, everything is open. When I touch Maya, everything is closed. Purvata avrita. So Maya came here and the child started, when everything is over, till this program is executed, Krishna also did not make any sound. Maya Devi also not cry. When she came here and she understood, yes, I am lying down with Devaki, there she confirmed and started crying. Sometimes this child also, our children also will do like this. When they confirm, they will start crying. Otherwise, they will not cry. And the child started crying, the Maya Devi. So this is very nice. So he took Krishna there and brought Maya here. This part brought out by our Andal in the Pasuram, the Tirupavil. Very nice Pasuram. Oruthi Maganai Pirandu Oriravil. Oruthi Maganai Pirandu means he has taken birth from our Devaki. Oruthi Maganai Pirandu Oriravil. And that particular night, Oruthi Maganai Olithu Valara. One person gave birth to Krishna. Other person, she only owned him as her son. Oruthi Magai Olithu Valara. Tarikilanagi Tanthingi Ninainde Karuthai Pidaipithu Kanjan Vaitril. Kanjan means Kamsan. So when he was doing like this, at the same time, he gave this kind of burning effect in Kamsa's stomach. Kamsa started fearing. Nirupendra ninda nedumale. She started burning in Kamsa's stomach also. That means he was frightening Kamsa. At the same time, he has done this kind of leela. Arutithu vandom paritharudiyagil tiruttakka selvom sevagam yampadi varuttamam thirundu magindelo rembava. This particular incident, the leela described by Andal in Pasur. So one pasam she dedicated. She enjoyed this leela and she brought out one Pasuram. Okay, this is a nice place to bring, the right place. Points to be reflected. The points to be reflected. Maya binds, Brahman liberates. The leela, the philosophy, what we have to understand. So all the leelas, the program is very nice. You can do this stage play. Krishna leela, you can do this stage play. When you bring this kind of incident, using our children, we train children in such a way that they did very nice program. But those who are doing MC or the final program, those who are consolidating the program, that person should bring this philosophical idea. Otherwise, you will miss the philosophy. So, in one place, you have to enjoy the program, how they brought out very nicely. In other direction, you have to bring the deeper philosophy. Take part in the divine leela. The one more. First thing, that Maya binds, Brahman liberates. When Vasudeva took this Brahman on his head, everything is released. No problem on the way. No animal came on the way. Because in the forest area, no animal. Yamuna gave the way. There's a lot of waves in the Yamuna. Yamuna gives. Yamuna did not disturb. Animals did not disturb. And rain comes at that time. Adisesha came and bring umbrella. So your work is not disturbed. Why? You have become the part. You have taken the part in divine Leela. So when we take the part in divine Leela, so we cannot ask, now Krishna Avatara comes, I will also ready to work that. So not Krishna Avatara. Krishna Avatara happened in only one period of the Yuga. Is not, we should not understand that way. How he took part in the Leela in the same way, the Jagat Leela is going on. The Jagat Leela, we have to take our part. So running the Jagat is Leela of the Lord. I hope you understood the point. The Jagat Leela, we have to take part. When we take part in the Jagat Leela, considering that, oh Lord, this is your Leela, it's going on. I have my part, I will do my part. So other things should be taken care by you. So our problem is we are not taking part in the Leela, but we are always complaining, this is not right, this is not right, Ganga is flowing, Yamuna is, oh so much of water in the Yamuna, how can I go? How can I go, Lord? You are asking me to go cross Yamuna, how can I go? Complain. Suppose rain comes, what will happen? Everything is happening to our Vasudeva also. Rain comes, the river flows, and there I have to keep, I have to bring. I say, simply you do, other things I will take care. In our case, other things I will take care, Lord. I will complain, Lord, but this thing I will not do, I cannot do, God. Then you are not the right person for my divine Leela, go that side, you are rejected. You are rejected to take part in divine Leela, get out. Have you understood? When we understand this whole creation, the life is divine Leela. So our part is very small part in the creation, a very small part. Maybe we may live 50 years, 60 years, 70 years. When we understand this concept, we fit ourselves small nut, small bolt. Even a small, very small part in the whole. Using a big car, very big car, small things. So many parts you find in the car. So every part will add glory to that car. The same way. So we should not think, oh, I have to become engine, I have to become bonnet, I have to become big seat. No. It's not the size of the object will give the glory. The attitude of that part will give the glory. So this is very great kind of lesson for us. One philosophy in this Leela, Maya binds, Brahman liberates. Because when he takes Brahman, everything is, when he takes Maya, everything is again locked there. Take the Brahman, everything is released. You touch the Maya, everything is Purvata Avritaha. Again it came back. Appo Maya and Brahman concept is explained through this kind of story. So if you are a Vedantic student, then you can relate very, very easily. Maya binds, Brahman liberates. Very great point. And one more thing, how to live in this world. The two practical point, one philosophy, one value. So two things we learned from this this Leela. Okay? Have you understood? This is how you have to study each and every episode. From that episode, what can be learned? So only one thing, how Vasudeva executed without any complaint. Just do what I say, that's all. So we have to understand, when God says something, I will follow. No, when God says something, He said everything in Bhagavad Gita, sir. He will not come and say, Ashariri, oh my devotee, are you ready? I am ready. Keep basket ready, I will come and I will sit on your basket, you take me. God will not tell like that. In those days, this is Avatara. In that Avatara time, what kind of role our Vasudeva took, all the things. We have to study this and we have to understand the core point. And we study Bhagavad Gita. In Bhagavad, what are the instructions given? Reflect on that and you have to take and you have to practice. When you practice, no complaint. Everything will be taken care. Why? You are not doing it for your own work. You are connecting yourself this Jagat Leela. When we connect in the Jagat Leela, so God will, oh, this person has come, now I have to take care all of his other job. Because he took part in the Jagat Leela. When you take part in the Jagat Leela, other things he will take care of. So what about my family, children? Sir, this is not your family, your children, your wife, your husband. Everything belongs to him. He will take care. You do your part as a father in that family. You do your part, mother in the family. No need to worry. So you have all kinds of limitation. Other things will be taken care by. So you have to reflect on this point. When you fit, we will become a very good instrument in his hand. Okay? Okay. So tomorrow we will continue. So today we had this Krishna avatar. All the episodes we have to study like this. Then only get the point. Otherwise, he went and he put his child there and he brought Yashoda's child. What is there? Why you are telling this to me? That's their family problem. Their family problem. Why are you explaining this? Board, camera, online. What is this? What is going on? Bhagavad, why? I get punya. Yo, you get punya after death. I am living here. While I am living, I have to get some message from the book. You tell me that. When you die, you will go. Sir, when I die, I am not conscious of my death. While I am living, you give me some message. The message is take part in the Leela, other thing will be taken care by the Lord. Number one. Number two, Maya binds, Brahman liberates. So this is for a practical life. An extra thing you will get to punya, then that punya we will see afterwards. That is there in the Paraloka. Okay. So the episode we have to see like this. Okay. So I will stop here.